Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix the 500 internal server error in the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. In the Windows search bar right here, type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now here in the Chrome browser, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then simply scroll down, you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on reset settings. Restore settings to the original defaults. So do not worry if you're going to take this action because this will not affect your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. Click on reset settings. Scroll up and you will find privacy and security. Then under privacy and security, you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. Now you have two options. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files checked, site settings and hosted app data check that, but do not check the password and the autofill form data. Then finally click on delete data. Now once done, close out of here. Then in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Make a right click and select properties. In the properties window, you have to click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Now this window will appear and you have this option, use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then simply close this windows. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the start button, go to settings. Click on apps on the left pane, click on installed apps. And you'll find Google Chrome. Click on the three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. You can also check this box, also delete your browsing data, click uninstall. And once done, open the Microsoft Edge browser, which is the default browser of your Windows. Then type here, Chrome, download, hit enter. You'll find the first option from www.google.com. Click on that. Click on this download Chrome and this will download the installer file. Simply click on that. Close the browser, the Edge browser. And this will reinstall the Google Chrome browser for you. So what you can do is you just need to wait for that until the installation process has been completed. So you just have to wait for that and then continue enjoying the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.